Want faster research, smarter sourcing, and safer decisions? Seller Assistant app is a wholesale game changer, and I'm going to be showing you it in today's video. So this is Seller Assistant app, and they do have a free trial, which is awesome. There's also a link in the description if you wanted to access it. Now, they have a lot of different tools, and they keep adding tools. First, we're going to be talking about their extension. So they've got 3 different extensions. They've got a VPN, which is pretty sweet. Then they have IP alert to see if it's a high-risk product or not. And then Seller Assistant has different analytics you can look at to make sure it's profitable, right? So if I'm trying to sell a Bandai item, you can see right now Seller Assistant is running, and you can see it has a little red lock on it. That means I need product approval. So maybe Bandai items might not be the best. If I do want to sell Bandai items, I can click this button, and then it's going to help me show me how to get product approval, which is great, right? But if it's unlocked, if it's green, that means I have product approval and I can sell it right away on Amazon without any worries, without submitting any invoices, right? So there's a lot of different items on Amazon that you might be able to sell or you might not be able to sell. That way I don't buy these in bulk or want to sell them when I don't have the right documents, right? So this is definitely going to help you, an easy way to see if you're locked, gated, or ungated. So another way, again, you can do one piece plush, you can do different items. But let's dive in and let's click on an item, and then we can pull out the Seller Assistant actual side app. Oh, so they're not winning the buy box, so it might not. So again, you can search Amazon, and then here's the analytics where it's going to be showing you price, cost of goods. So if you find a wholesaler, you can put in the cost of goods right here and potentially figure out the price. Let's say this is 20 bucks. And we're going to put that all in. Then you can see how much potential profit you could be making, right? It's going to break down all of the fees for you, give you a lot of different data. So again, this is great just to see. And we have sourcing AI. And again, it can utilize ChatGPT to automatically help you find a profitable supplier. Now, this is brand new, so you can do this, and then ChatGPT is going to be searching the internet for you to find the supplier, right? So again, it's like, it is almost as easy as it can get for wholesale and finding wholesale customers and products to sell. Next, you have a brand analyzer. So if you do talk to somebody right now, it looks like it's temporary unavailable, but we've already used it for Nike and Bandai. What you can do is just type in a brand name. So you can type in Nike, and it's going to show you all of the listings, every single one. Right now, there's 8,007 listings that are Nike on Amazon. So it's going to show you all of them. You can then download the report. Let's see if it'll work. Yep, you can download all of the listings report. You can look it up and go to the brand store, but it'll actually show you every single listing. So you can go to your supplier and then figure out, okay, what's on Amazon already, what's not on Amazon, and go from there. Again, bulk restriction checker. So again, you can get that list that I just showed you, or your list from your supplier, put it into here, and you can see which ones are ungated and which ones are gated. So this one is, you need approval to sell these products. This one is your account's completely not eligible. And this one is you're already approved. So you can get, if you have a list, right? If you get from ChatGPT, get a list of items you can sell. They're usually going to send you a spreadsheet. You upload the spreadsheet right here, and it tells you which ones you're already approved to sell. And obviously you want to focus on the ones that you're already approved to sell, because getting approval on Amazon sometimes is a pain in the butt. Seller Spy, automatically track competitors to discover new brands. So this is a way you can type in the competitors' seller information, and it's going to track them and then add new products that they're adding, so you can stay on top of it. Right? So we can actually look into this, and we can go to the seller storefront and see any new items that they're adding and kind of stay on top of it as well. And then price list analyzer. So you can put in price lists, and then you can turn suppliers lists into deals and actionable reports, match products to Amazon. So if you get a whole list, you can put it into here, and then they're going to find the actual ASINs that are already on Amazon. So you can just relist them and resell them. So this is like the trifecta of wholesale Amazon tools. It really focuses on wholesale, and if you want to start wholesale, it has everything you need, and even ChatGPT implemented to help you source. So a pretty darn good tool. Again, it's got a free trial, so you might as well test it out. Link in the description. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. One of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management. This is where we're going to help you find products. We're going to be managing your inventory, do product launches, call Amazon for you, get you product approval, customer service, advertising, design, increasing your sales, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is you can spend time working on your business and expanding your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations, making sure your business is increasing sales, making money, and helping you save time. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.